How to deactivate Instagram account twice a week. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account twice a week, then first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now you just need to open up your Instagram application, and you need to go for the profile, go for the upper right. And let me tell you one thing, that if you have already deactivated your Instagram account, then if you log back into your account, then you won't be able to deactivate it again if it's not been a week. So what you need to do is you just need to log back into your account. So you've already deactivated your account once, right? So scroll down, and here you need to go for the account center option. Tap on account center, and then you need to scroll down and go for personal details. Under personal details, go for account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation and deletion, choose the Instagram account, and now you need to do is tap on delete account. So previously you have deactivated, right? But you won't be able to deactivate it again within a week. So what you need to do is simply tap on delete and go with the same process as deactivate. So tap on delete and then tap on continue and choose the reason why you would like to delete. So choose anything like something else and then tap on continue, and you need to enter your password. Once you enter your password, your account will be deleted, and within 1 month you need to log back into your account. So after you've deleted, you need to log back into your account within 25 or 30 days. So make sure to log back into your account, because if you don't log back into your account, then your account will be automatically deleted or permanently deleted. So make sure to log back into your account, and your account will be activated. So that's how you can deactivate your Instagram account twice a week. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.